everyone, it's Anne, Crafty Kimchi. Welcome back to my channel. I'm back with a fun project share. I've been creating for Christmas and slowly but surely I've been finding my, creative juices come to work over here. So I thought I'd come on and share some embellies that I've been creating. I've been using pretty much the Minty Sweetest Christmas and mixing it up with my Prima Santa Baby, which I still love. I think the pinks and mints in the collection really just, I don't know, scream to me. But I thought I'd come on and share some embellishments that I've been creating. So let's see. I have made some shaker mini envelopes. I've done these in the past and I thought I'd recycle some of these ideas for my Christmas embellies. So I used the Dollar Tree, I guess like that snow textured tool for my shakers, and I love that little element that it gives. And of course I jam packed this thing with super duper sequence in here. It's jam packed in there. And then I used some of the ephemera from the Santa Baby collection, a lot of little layering pieces under here. And this one's a little more simple. I did use the Minty paper. I did go around sew it twice. I used my mini envelope punch board to create these, and I love how this came out. I love this little plastic resin snowflake that I picked up from Hobby Lobby. It is so pretty and glittery. I'm obsessed with it. So these are just some envelope embellishments that I created. I also created this little layered Christmas tree, and I used some glittered foam as a layering element. And let me just zoom out a little bit. And then I just used some pearl trim and some pom-poms to, I don't know, give it that soft, sweet Christmas tree look. I love how that came out. I did create these, and I showed these on my Instagram, these little shaker stockings, and this is actually using a Tim Holtz stocking die. It's called Stocking Stuffer, and it's a big die. And you know, with all the rage of shakers, I thought I'd just make my own with like some old ones that I had in my stash. This one's really simple. I could have used a little more decoration on top, but I don't know, this was one of my first embellishments that I created. And then I just put a little snowflakes on top and then just little jingle bells on the side. And I love this mix that I created. I'm like obsessed. Again, glitter foam. And someone gave me the idea of using actual felt, and I'm gonna definitely have to try this, especially since it's a big die and I can cut with anything. So I love these. And then I did create a couple of other little embellishments. I'm just gonna push this back a little bit. This is a little banner embellishment. I'm gonna show you the back. This is using the Minty paper. Oh, I love this little Christmas scene, and it hurt me to use it, but I wanted a little more simpler paper to start building my layers. I have a little tassel, which is kind of squished under the pom-pom. I probably should have given a little bit more room. I have pom-poms. There's a stick in here, so it's fairly sturdy, and I hung the string on the stick. We have a little Santa Baby ephemera piece. I tucked some pearls on the side. I used this Tim Holtz snowflake rosette die, and then I went around the edges with this snow marker, and this puffs up when you use a heat gun. So this is that little puffy snow on the edges. This is a little resin sticker for Michael's. Again, the little pearls. This is a cut ephemera piece from the Minty collection. I tucked a little Christmas tree, a little Tim Holtz little chit chat stickers. I love these stickers for the I don't know, sentiment piece. And then I just tucked in a little red I don't know, little pick that I had from the Dollar Tree. And thought this was so cute. A little Minty and Prima Santa Baby. I used pink and mint pom-poms, which I thought went perfect. And I created this little star embellishment. And this one I went a little bit shabby-ish. I used the Minty papers and the Minty Santa Claus. Add a little pom-pom over here. I have a little Christmas tree, but you can't see. I don't know. I think kind of got lost along the way. I added some. These are the Prima Dulce flowers. There's layered snowflakes. I have a little tis the season. And I added some cheesecloth underneath to give it that shabbiness. A little poinsettia. I think this came out so pretty. I did add a little dangle, and I'm working on my dangle charms. So I have a little tassel here, a little puffy ball, and this beautiful little charm that I got from Allie, and I'll leave links down below. I thought this was a really cute little element to hang from the side. I also have this little wood deer that's I've gone and nouveaued and glittered up, and he's just tucked underneath. I love that little peekaboo that comes out, and love how this embellishment came out. And then my favorite embellishment, I don't know why, stars scream Christmas for me. Like, I love making star embellishments for Christmas, and this one happens to be my favorite one. So I've got a lot of little layers here. Again, I used a Tim Holtz snowflake rosette. I have lots of little layers. There's a banner over here. Put this little deer ephemera from Michael's. I think I purchased this last year. I added some pom-poms around the stars. Got a little snowflake here. I have a little Christmas tree tucked in the back. A little house die cut that I did. I tucked this little baby deer in the back. He's just peeking on the side. A little fuzzy snowflake from Hobby Lobby. Again, I added a little dangle. This one I have a pink and gold puffy heart. I have this little jingle bell, and this little star here was actually silver, and I went over it with gold marker paint just to give it that gold, to match the gold in it. And yeah, I love how that came out. Again, I used some of the Prima pearls. I went around just to give it that little shabbiness. And this little Minty banner that I cut out. Got a lot of different elements here, but I thought it was really just a fun piece. I'm just having fun. I guess I'm just like tapping into my Christmasness over here, and that is it for today. I'm going to keep creating. I hope you find inspiration. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below, and I will see you in the next video, everyone. Have a good one. Bye.